If you want to let people book time with you without the back and forth of email, Google Calendar booking pages are a super simple solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a booking page in Google Calendar step by step so you can set your availability, customize the details, and share a booking link with anyone who needs to schedule time with you. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're on the calendar page, look for the Create button, usually shown with a plus icon. Click that, and from the menu, choose Appointment Schedule. This is the feature that lets you create a booking page where other people can reserve a time slot from the hours you set. Next, give your booking page a clear name. This should tell people exactly what they are booking, such as a consultation, meeting, office hours, or support call. A simple and descriptive name makes it easier for both you and your guests to understand what the booking page is for. After that, set the appointment duration. This is how long each booking will last, whether that's 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or an hour. Choose a length that makes sense for the type of appointment you want to offer. Then set your available days and times. This part is important because it controls when people can actually book with you. Select the days of the week you want to make available. Then choose the time range for each day. You can keep it narrow for focused availability or wider if you want more flexibility. Once your schedule is set, move on to the booking page settings. Here you can add details like the location and description. If your meetings happen in person, you can add a physical location. If they happen online, you can include a video meeting option or instructions for how the appointment will take place. In the description, you can add useful information such as what the meeting is about, what the person should bring, or any preparation they should do before booking. Take a moment to review everything carefully so the booking page matches exactly what you want people to see. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. Google Calendar will create your appointment schedule and generate a booking page for you. Now the booking page is ready, but the final step is making it easy to share. Open the appointment schedule you just created, then look for the Share option or the Copy Booking Page Link option. Click it to copy the booking page URL to your clipboard. You can now send that link in email, add it to your website, place it in your social media bio, or share it directly with clients, customers, or teammates. Once someone opens the link, they'll be able to see your available time slots and book a time that works for them. That's the beauty of this feature. It saves you time, reduces scheduling confusion, and makes your calendar much easier to manage. So just to recap, open Google Calendar, create an appointment schedule, enter a name, set the duration and availability, customize the booking details, save it, and then share the booking page link. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.